Hey, Garrett here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something exciting to share with you. A game changer in the world of precision hole cutting. The Jonard Tools Adjustable Round Hole Cutter, part number AHC-10. This tool is designed to make your life easier and your projects more accurate. You know the struggle when you need to cut holes of different sizes for various projects? Well, the AHC-10 is here to put an end to that struggle. With a range from 2.2 inches to 10 inches, this adjustable round hole cutter is a versatile powerhouse. And here are some of the standout features. It cuts plywood, drywall, plasterboard, and acrylic sheet up to 1 1/16 inches thick. The cutting depth is adjustable via a hex locknut and compression spring. It includes a polycarbonate transparent dust shield that prevents debris from flying into your eyes while cutting. And the compression spring is designed to absorb vibration. Well, impressive, right? Whether you're a DIYer, craftsman, or professional installer, this tool is designed for easy operation and flexibility. No more needing multiple tools for different hole sizes, the AHC-10 is the solution you've been waiting for. And with its sturdy construction, it's sure to be a reliable companion for your hole cutting needs. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.